Some look legit and promise real money, but they are scams. Hi everyone, this is Akanksha and welcome to Life with Akanksha. If you guys have been trying to earn money online like me and have been applying to every job which you see, this video is for you because not everything is worth applying for. You will just waste your time, waste your energy and motivation. So today I'm talking about online jobs that you should not apply to, especially if you are a beginner. The first one, मैंने अपनी एक प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी इसके बारे में बात की थी, डाटा एंट्री. Please do not apply to it. Most of the data entry jobs which are out there are scam. I know everybody tells you to go to data entry job and it's very easy, very simple. You just have to type. However, most of them out there on the internet are a scam, and it is the biggest lie on the internet. Trust me. Second will be anything which tells you that they will pay you to like, share, subscribe, something, something, something. These jobs just say that you'll earn money but by just liking YouTube videos, Instagram posts, and it is honestly a scam. I have tried many of them on which I have seen as ads on Instagram and on online as well. You'll think that it's on Instagram, यार वो ads पे पैसा खर्च रहे हैं तो why will it be a scam? But trust me, it's a scam. They take your data and use it for malpractices. Finally, whatever happens in this is they ask you money so that to unlock higher earning potentials and everything, or they just get the work done from you guys and disappear completely. This is not a job, guys. Trust me, it is not. It's just, I don't know, easy way to lure beginners to them. Number 3, survey sites which promise you that you will earn very, very much money. Survey does pay, but it cannot replace your income. It pays like if you are looking for extra 500 bucks for the entire month. It just is a kind of pocket money. Even if you spend your whole month working on surveys, trust me, you are not gonna replace an income with surveys, because most of the surveys take very much time क्योंकि उनके questionnaires बहुत बड़े होते हैं and काफ़ी questionnaires आप fill कर देते हो, उसके बाद they disqualify you because you don't fit their demographic or whatever. You will just waste your time on this. If you are looking for pocket money, then for sure go for surveys. There are many legit sites for surveys out on the internet which does give you money, but it will not make you rich. If they are promising you big money that you'll replace your entire income with surveys only, that's a lie. Number 4 is any platform that asks for a fee upfront. I have come across many platforms for transcribing or whatever, for translation and everything, which ask you to pay them money. If they are asking you to pay money, this is not a job, guys. This is a red flag. Anything which asks money from you is fake and a scam. अब हमने सब नेगेटिव्स की बात तो कर ली. लेट्स नाउ टॉक अबाउट व्हाट टू डू नाउ. अब सब कुछ स्कैम ही लग रहा है ये वीडियो देख के, तो अब क्या करें? सो व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट इज पिक एनी स्किल which you have, which you think you are good at. All right, be it reading, writing, video editing, designing, content creation, voiceovers, anything. You think you know that skill, good. If you think that you are interested in that skill, take 2 to 3 weeks और उसको सीख लो अच्छे से, and तो फिर then apply as a freelancer for these jobs. It will work for you guys. And also, if you want to earn real money, keep following me. I'll keep posting videos about it so that you guys get reality checks and you guys don't make the same mistakes I made and I am still making. So that एक बंदे का ही टाइम वेस्ट हो ना, मेरा हो रहा है फाइन, तुम लोग का ना हो, so that you guys get the real deal. Online, honestly guys, trust me, online work is not fake. But anybody who is saying that कि आप कुछ भी मत करो, we'll just give you money, that is not correct. Why would anybody give you money ऐसे ही बिना कुछ किए? That is fake and a scam. अगर ऐसा होता तो इंडिया में इतनी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट और इतनी गरीबी और इतना सब कुछ थोड़ी होता. This may feel demotivating, however, please don't quit, because most people quit very fast because they are expecting quick results. Don't do that. You will get results eventually. Please get a skill. And if you guys want any help from me, I will help you with the one-on-one counseling session or brainstorming session. I can help with that also. If you had applied to any of these jobs, don't feel bad, please. मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव, जो भी ऑनलाइन जॉब सर्च कर रहे होते हैं, पैसिव इनकम और वट एवर, बिकॉज मैंने भी ये सब किया है, तभी मैं आपको आज ज्ञान दे रही हूँ रिगार्डिंग दिस. द मोटिव ऑफ दिस वीडियो is just so that you guys don't waste your time applying to these useless silly jobs. All right, if this video helped you in any way, please like, share, subscribe, comment. All right, I'll see you in the next one, guys. This is Akanksha, and thank you for watching Life with Akanksha. Please keep engaging, keep watching, so that we can grow together.